Hello students, as per your demand, we are again going to make a inequality of exponential functions. So it's very important for solving the exponential function for the competitive examination and even day-to-day problems of mathematics. So you must be well versed in solving the problems of exponential inequalities. Now we are going to give you the details of exponential inequalities. So be attentive and listen to the things very carefully. Exponential and equalities. First of all, we'll discuss, say for y is equal to e to the power x is always a greater than 0 quantity. So e to the power x is always a positive quantity, whatever be the value of x, where x can take values from minus infinite to infinite. For all x belongs to all the values from minus infinite to infinite, that we have to understand e to the power x is greater than always 0. Now we'll discuss the problems, the properties of the exponential inequalities. First, if a to the power x is greater than equal to a to the power y, first case, if a greater than 1, then x will be greater than y. Second, if a lies in between 0 to 1, then x will be less than y. Inequality sign on the power will reverse. If a to the power x is greater than equal to a to the power y, first case, if a is greater than 1, then x is also greater than equal to y. There is no change in the inequality sign to the power. Similarly, if a is in between 0 to 1, then x will be less than equal to y. Now, third case, if a to the power x is less than a to the power y, first case, if a greater than 1, then x is less than y. B, if a lies in between 0 to 1, then x will be greater than equal to y. Fourth case, if a to the power x is less than equal to a to the power y, and first one is if a greater than 1, then x will be less than equal to y, no change in the inequality to the power. Second one, if a is in between 0 to 1, the inequality sign will get changed. So you have to be very careful about the value of a. Similarly, if a to the power x is less than e to the power y is less than a to the power z, first case, if a greater than 1, then x is less than y less than z. If a is less than 1 and greater than 0, then the sign structure will change. It means y is greater than z and it is less than x. So this you have to understand properly. Sixth case, if a to the power x is less than equal to a to the power y is less than equal to a to the power z, then first case, if a greater than 1, then x is less than equal to y less than equal to z. Second case, if a lies in between 0 to 1, then the y will be greater than equal to z and less than equal to x. It will get just reversed. So these are the properties of exponential inequalities. We have to understand and remember it throughout the process of calculation. Now we are going to solve some questions over here. Say for t to the power x plus 2 is greater than 1 upon 9 to the power 1 by x. Now you see, here it is 3 but here it is 1 by 9. So what we'll do first, we'll make base same. So 3 to the power x plus 2 is greater than 3 to the power minus 2 by x. Now we can see base is 3 and greater than 1, so there will be no change in the inequality sign to the power or to the exponent. So x plus 2 plus 2 by x is greater than 0. So x square plus 2x plus 2 upon x is greater than 0. So this is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 upon x is greater than 0. You can see that this is already a positive quantity. So only x has to be positive because it is already positive. It means x has to be greater than 0. The solution is from 0 to infinite. The numerator is positive, so then the denominator should also be positive. So x is greater than 0, it should be. X is from 0 to infinite. Now we are moving to next question. Four to the power x plus 1 minus 16 to the power x is less than twice of log base 4 8. Now see, we can write this 4x into 4, and this is a 4 to the power 2x, and this is twice, and 2 to the power 2, and this is a 2 to the power 3. So we are again going to utilize the property of logarithm, a to the power m, b to the power n. So n by m, log base ab we can write. So 4 to the power x into 4 minus 4 to the power 2x is less than 2 into 3 by 2 log base 2 into x2. So this will become 1 because base and index both are same, and 3 will get cancelled. So 4 to the power x into 4 minus 4 to the power x whole square is less than 3. Now let 4 to the power x equals to t. So it is 4t minus t square minus 3 less than 0. We are just multiplying by minus, so inequality sign will change. T square minus 4t plus 3 is greater than 0. So t minus 1, t minus 3 is greater than 0. So it means t is less than 1 or t is greater than 3. So you can see 4 to the power x less than 1. It means 4 to the power x 4 to the power 0. It means x is less than 0. Second case, 4 to the power x is greater than 3. So we'll take log both sides, base 3. We are taking base 4. So you can see that x will come this side. X log base 4, 4, and it is greater than 4, 3. So x is greater than log base 4, 3. So these are the two. So x is from minus infinite to 0, a union log 4, 3 to infinity. So these are the solutions of this question. Now, we are moving to the next question. Three to the power 2x minus 3 to the power x minus 6 greater than 0. Find x. So let 3 to the power x equals to t. So this is t square minus t minus 6 greater than 0. So t square minus 3t plus 2t minus 6 greater than 0. So t we are taking common, t minus 3, and 2 also we are taking common. So this is t minus 3 and t plus 2 greater than 0. T means 3 to the power x minus 3, 3 to the power x plus 2 greater than 0. So it is always positive. So this has to be positive. So 3 to the power x, 3 to the 3 power 1. So x is from 1 to infinity. So this is the solution of this question. Now we are moving to next question. To the power 72 into 1 by 3 x into 1 by 3 root x greater than 1. Find x. Now we can see that 3 to the power 72 and this is 1 upon 3 to the power x plus root x is greater than 1. So we can write 3 to the power 72 or 3 to the power minus of x plus root x is greater than 1. So 3 to the power 72 minus x minus root x greater than 1. It means 3 to the power 0. So since base is greater than 1, so 72 minus x minus root x is greater than 0. Multiplying by minus x plus root x minus 72 is less than 0. So x plus 9 root x minus 8 root x minus 72 less than 0. So x plus, we are taking common root x, so root x plus 9 minus 8, we are taking root x plus 9 less than 0. So root x plus 9 and root x minus 8 less than 0. So this is already a positive quantity. So root x minus 8 should be less than 0. So root x is less than 8. So x is less than 64. X is less than 64, but it is a square root here. So since it is square root, x must be greater than or equal to 0. So x is from 0 to 64. This is going to be the answer of this question. You can see how the things are moving very easily. Now we are moving to next question. X square plus x plus 1 to the power x less than 1. Now you see x square plus x plus 1 to the power x. We are taking log base 10 both sides. And you know the log 1 is 0, or here x, it is log base 10 x square plus x plus 1. So this is the product of two, first and second. This is less than 0, it means either it should be positive and this should be negative. Here it is negative and this to be positive. In two cases only this is possible. So we are taking first case, case 1. If x is greater than 0 and log base 10 x square plus x plus 1 is less than 0. You can see these are the two factors. If first is positive, second is negative, then product will be less than 0. Or first is negative, second is positive, then product will be less than 0. So we are solving first question. So x should be greater than 0, and this x square plus x plus 1 is less than 10 to the power 0. So x square plus x less than 0. X into x plus 1 less than 0. So x lies in between minus 1 and 0. So in this, no common solution. No common solution. It means from first case we are not going to get any answer because first inequality is greater than 0 and second is coming out to be minus 1 less than 0. Similarly, we are taking case 2. If first one is negative, yani x is less than 0 and log base 10 x square plus x plus 1 is greater than 0. So x less than 0, first inequality. Now we are solving this. So x square plus x plus 1 10 to the power 0. So x square plus x greater than 0. X into x plus 1 greater than 0. Now we are using Webber method to find out positive, positive, negative. So x is from minus infinite to minus 1, a union 0 to infinite. Now we'll see the common solution of it. So it is minus 1, a 0, infinite to minus infinite. First one is from this to 0 and this is from minus infinite to minus 1 and from 0 to infinite. So this is the required solution. X is from minus infinite to minus 1. So these are the inequalities problem which you have to solve using the properties of the logarithm. So using properties of exponential inequalities. So that's all from my side in exponential inequation. I think all the problems you can solve based on the exponential inequalities using the properties and theorem of the exponential inequalities. So wish you all the best for this video, and please try to subscribe, refer and view it and recommend it.